Okay, hello, my name is Juan David Pinto, and now I'm going to talk about the poor visual design of websites. First of all, I would like to start with a phrase that expresses the point of view of the presentation. That is, content precedes design. Designing is the absence of the content is not design. It is decoration by Jeffrey Seldman. This is a topic that has gained more and more attention on a daily basis. Tools are increasingly available on the internet. Now, for example, these two websites have a good design? Probably not. No, you are probably thinking, but why? What is the reason of the bad design? Previously, most of the websites did not have a look and feel that was approachable to people. In other words, these websites were just non-interactive information to enjoy people, to be more empathic with people. So one of the main causes is the discussion between the designers and engineers, because the definition of design in each of them is different. For example, for designers, the meaning of design involves people, but while for engineers it means the construction of the code instead. Mm, This discussion causes the design of websites to be affected by the hesitation of both points of view. So, one solution that probably improve the discussion between those two fields is to create a new method called the design engineer that consists in collect points in common of both fields to design steps that take them into account the different points to make one stronger. This with the purpose of allowing an understanding of both parts to improve the design or the process of design in a website or in a enterprise that make the visual and code design about that web pages. So basically, the good design is making something intelligible and memorable, and the great design is making something memorable and meaningful. So if these two fields converge in a method, probably this design that design was better, and probably it will stronger than the past. So thank you very much.